Welcome to the Millennial Capital YouTube channel.
Hello, dear millennial investors. Today we will be guiding you on how to withdraw funds from the MTFE platform. Remember, we're not here to advocate for or against investing on this platform. This is merely a step-by-step guide to help you safely and effectively withdraw your money if you've already invested. Let's get started, shall we? First, make sure you're securely logged into the MTFE app on your device. Once you're in, head to the bottom right corner and tap on the Profile tab. Here, you'll spot two tabs, My Assets and Wallet. A crucial point to note, My Assets holds the funds used for trade by the platform's AI bot system. Before you proceed any further, you must turn off the AI trading bot. Simply switch the toggle off to disable the AI trading bot. Next, it's time to transfer the desired amount from My Assets to your wallet. To do this, tap on the Wallet tab. Then, hit the Transfer button. For the transfer direction, set it from My Assets to Wallet. You'll then see a box labeled Quantity. Here, input the amount you wish to transfer. For instance, if I want to withdraw $60, I'll type 60 in this box. A little puzzle will pop up for security, just slide the bar to solve it. Remember, there's a 2.8% service fee for this transfer, so always factor that in. Once you've done this, the transfer process begins. This will generally take about 24 hours. Patience is key here. The transfer from My Assets to Wallet can take anywhere from 24 to 72 hours. After the waiting period, navigate back to the Wallet tab. You should now see your transferred amount here, minus the service fee, of course. Tap the Withdraw button, and you'll be directed to a page with a cage to input your withdrawal amount. Here's a little tip: enter the amount without any cents. The next step is pivotal. You need to provide the Binance Tron network deposit address. You can manually type it in or use the handy QR scanner to capture the details. Once this is done, the ball starts rolling. In about 1 to 2 hours, you should receive your funds in your Binance wallet. Stay informed. You can check the status of your withdrawal by tapping on the clock button located on the top right. From there, click on the Withdraw button, and you'll get all the details you need. And that, dear viewers, wraps up our guide on how to withdraw funds from the MTFE platform. Always be vigilant, make informed decisions, and happy investing.
Please don't forget to subscribe to the Millennial Capital YouTube channel. See you next time.